Are you interested in building dynamic, powerful web applications? Then you need to know about Angular. Angular is a powerful front-end web framework that lets you build complex, interactive applications with ease. With features like two-way data binding, dependency injection, and component-based architecture, Angular gives you everything you need to create robust, scalable apps. So how does Angular work? At its core, Angular uses TypeScript, a superset of JavaScript that adds features like static typing and object-oriented programming to the language. This makes it easier to write clean and maintainable code that's less prone to bugs. One of the key features of Angular is two-way data binding, which allows data changes to be automatically reflected in the view and vice versa. This saves developers a lot of time and effort. Another important feature of Angular is dependency injection. DI is wired into the Angular framework and allows classes with Angular decorators, such as components, directives, pipes, and injectables. This makes it easier to manage dependencies and promotes modularity, making your code more maintainable and scalable. Angular also uses a component-based architecture, which means that each component is responsible for a specific part of the user interface. This makes it easier to manage complex apps and update the UI without affecting other parts of the app. And finally, Angular includes comprehensive testing tools, making it easy to write unit tests and end-to-end tests to ensure your app is working as expected. The first step to getting started with Angular is to install the Angular CLI. The CLI, or Command Line Interface, is a tool that helps you set up a new Angular project and provides tools to generate components, services, and more. To install the Angular CLI, you'll need to have Node.js installed on your computer. Once you have Node.js installed, open up a terminal or command prompt and type the following command. This will install the Angular CLI globally on your computer, so you can use it to create new projects and run commands from anywhere. Now that you have the Angular CLI installed, you can use it to create a new Angular project. Simply navigate to the directory where you want to create your project and run the command. This will create a new Angular project called MyApp in the current directory. And that's it. You now have a new Angular project set up and ready to go. You can use the Angular CLI to generate components, services, and more, and start building your app. If you're interested in learning more, check out the Angular documentation, which has a lot of helpful information and examples. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!